There's nothing like a cold, wet January morning.
Correct.
With your newspaper at the coffee table with your cup of coffee, and that gas furnace comes on. You feel that little 104-degree air blowing right across the back of your neck. It's just delicious.
Sure it is. Gotta have it.
And a lot of people, I've been here a long time, a lot of people had a hard time getting used to the early heat pumps, because that unit would come on that cold January morning, and they put their hand up at the register and they say, my air conditioning is on.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's called the defrost cycle, right?
Oh, yeah, you have that too.
Yeah. So, that first start of air is coming out a little bit colder. Takes the heat pump a little bit to reverse that gas into that superheated gas to get you heating. So heat pumps are not as great as furnaces when it comes to hot, fast heat. So they take a while. Heat pumps have gotten better over the years, a lot better.
Rickey, I have to tell you, up until about 2015 or 16, I told people, if you're from the Midwest and you're used to warm air coming out of your furnace, and you have a heat pump, you got to put a heat strip in it, and that's about the most expensive heat you can buy.
Yes.
It takes some getting used to.